Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to how we can use Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. And if I click on this email, so I generate this email from a chat GTP, so for celebrating of our team. And you can see there is a default option available after activating the Copilot, that's summary by Copilot. And second option is available here. When I click on it, we can see the reply, summarize and settings. So either you have to summarize it from here, or click on this button. When I click on it, it's scanning the information. It gives me the summary of the whole email. And if you see, I can like it, so you can see I can even thumbs up the feedback, or I can do thumbs down the email. And even here, let's see what will happen. Even here we can, so with the help of Copilot, instead to read the whole email, we can use the summary feature, summarize or summary feature. Thank you for watching.